Keep tunnel. See how many boats we can keep running. I would say the wind has died down, but I don't want to jinx us. "15 seconds. Don't push the start. 10. Your lane committed. Good start. Good start. Dead boat in the front straightaway. No, he's still running. Still running. Let's see who we got out front there. Looks like Jeff Materials out front. Okay. We got Nick in second. There's a slow dead boat off of buoy 3 inside the course. Should not be a fracture. It's a dead boat. Okay, that's fine. Shane trying to get it back going. Still got Material out front. Nick in second trying to run him down. Looks like George in third. Ron in fourth. Shane out back, trying to make his way around. Jeff and Material down the front straightaway he goes. 3 down for your leader. Nick trying to reel him in. George still in third. Ron in fourth. Jeff and Material down the right side of the course, down the front straightaway he goes, getting a little flighty. Must be running out of fuel. Nick trying to reel him in down the back straightaway. Good running Q boats. Got some lap traffic coming up on it. See if it makes a difference. Jeffrey on the outside. Last lap for your leader. Last lap for Nick. Last lap for George in third. Jeffrey Maduro, first place. No cuts. Nick Hallbrother, second.